Now, Mike, Jennifer, Shay, and Scott. This is My9 News Weekend.
Good evening, everyone.
Hurricane Ike roars ashore in Texas, bringing with it 100-mile-per-hour winds and plenty of water. The state of Texas is still reeling after Hurricane Ike left massive damage and flooding along the coast.
And Ike did not come in knocking gently. His early morning arrival pummeled the Lone Star State.
Ike may not be a hurricane anymore, but the storm could still cause major problems for people in its path. For more, we turn it over to Shay Ryan and Viper 3D Weather.
Let's start with taking a look at some video.
Operator error appears to be the blame for tragedy on the tracks in Los Angeles. 25 people were crushed to death in a rush-hour train crash.
And now here's Shay Ryan with the weather. Things look very bad down there.
They definitely do, and that storm is still very organized. You can see it on Viper 3D. Now, of course, it continues to decrease in intensity some. Again, it's still dumping very heavy rain. 3 to 5 inches of rain is possible as it continues to move off to the north to northeast. And you can see also these rain bands extending into the Great Lakes. This is associated with a frontal system, so those two systems are starting to build together a bit, and we're seeing very heavy rain across Michigan. Also, some flooding potential possible there and into Chicago. So again, we continue to monitor this because it's that frontal system that is going to be headed in our direction. We're also going to get some of the remnants of Ike, and we are going to see a chance for some rainfall in our area. The good news is it's going to dry out considerably before making its way into the tri-state. Right now, an area of low pressure, though, is bringing that chance for showers into the tri-state tonight. You may even hear a rumble of thunder, not only overnight tonight, but into tomorrow as well. But again, a lot of moisture, and the heaviest moisture is still well out to our south and west, associated mainly with Ike. Now let's take a look. Today we made it up to a high temperature of 81 degrees, a bit above the average of 76 for this time of year. And tomorrow it's going to be even warmer. We're going to see some warm air coming in. More on that in just a moment. But let's take a look. Temperatures across the area right now: 71 degrees in the city, 72 coming in at Newark, and Sussex coming in at 69. Not a lot of variation in these temperatures. We've got a lot of moisture in place. I've already heard some comments here tonight about how humid it feels outside, and it's going to be getting more humid as we head into tomorrow. On the FUTURECAST, you can see that pocket of rain here late tonight and mainly cloud cover across the tri-state. But as we continue into tomorrow, we're going to see those remnants getting closer and closer to us, more of that moisture building in. And along with this frontal system, we're going to see the heaviest rain off to our west. But we will still have a chance for a few pop-up showers and thunderstorms all throughout the day tomorrow and into tomorrow evening. What we're also going to see happening tomorrow during the day is, as the remnants of Ike continue to move closer to us, we're going to see the winds coming from the south. They're going to pick up during the day, and that's going to build in some of that tropical heat and humidity that we're getting from that system. So that's going to bring our temperatures up a few degrees more than what they were today. We're also going to see some sunshine in the mix tomorrow, which will also help to heat us up. At least for tonight, though, we'll see high temperature or low temperatures very close to where we're at right now, about 68 degrees in the city. And we'll see some patchy fog also developing tonight, which will help to keep that moisture and humidity in place. Tomorrow, a high temperature of 85 degrees will be approaching 90 in some of the suburbs. And